Fishkin-Techstination, your destination for gadgets and gear. I'm Fred Fishkin.
Innovation in straws? Blendjet, the portable blender pioneer, is out with new accessories, including straws that pair well with the company's Orbiter drinking lid. So what could be innovative about straws? Co-founder Ryan Pamplin.
These are straws that feel like plastic. They've got really fun messages on them, like when life gets tough, just suck it up. And when you open these up, they are like plastic, like hard. But what's amazing about this is, unlike your typical plastic straws, these things are fully biodegradable. So within literally hours after you start using it, it starts to decompose.
They are individually wrapped, made from food quality ingredients, and a package of 30 is under $10.
You can find us at Techstination.com. I'm Fred Fishkin. Perfection. That's the goal of every outdoor chef. How to make each bite, each meal fantastic. The Monument Denali 605 Pro Grill unleashes your creativity with an innovative blade infrared burner system and a ceramic infrared sear burner that will bring sizzle to your everyday dishes and those get-togethers with family and friends. And Monument does it with stainless steel style and features that make grilling more fun and easy, like lighted knobs that indicate temperature settings, Bluetooth, a glide-out propane tank, dual temperature probes, and a rotisserie. Versatility: you can turn this great griller into a pizza oven or a griddle. And that stainless steel design is built to last. The Denali 605 Pro delivers, and it is just a part of the amazing lineup you'll find at monumentgrills.com.